everyone, it's Tammy and welcome to day 11 of our 12 tags of Christmas, and they have all been super simple. The last one, which is tomorrow, I've already filmed, and I filmed that one before I started any of the others, and that one is not so simple, but it is really cute and really fun. And this one though is simple. So I started out wanting to do something with the green and with the snowflakes, but then I decided I also wanted to use this white pen, which I love. This is one of those Singo Uniball pens that writes white. So it's really nice on dark paper. And I like blue and snowflakes together. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to get out my snowflakes. So I have these snowflakes that I have in a container that I got from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, I just came up with this and I thought that was really cute. Then I can write on the back in just a regular pen who it's for, and you know, we can go from there. I think it's really cute. So the first thing I need to do is cut these two so that they are the same size. So they are 2 inches wide, and it doesn't really matter how long they are as long as you get them so that you can write on them. And they're about 3.5 inches long. And then I'm using my tag punch that I have used for several tags this season. This was a good purchase. And I'm also using the corner rounder, and I'm using the 1/4 inch corner rounder on the bottom. So there we go. And then I'm going to glue the blue to the green, and I'm going to do it at an angle. So let's see, not all of that will need to be covered, but all of this will. And then I will cover the top of this one. So I'm putting glue where I know I will need it. My goodness. I'm trying to be careful to make sure that I have it on the edges, because I don't want anyone to think, oh, we can open this up and then try to rip it open, because obviously they're stuck together. It's just for decoration. So like I made sure that that side is glued as well as this side. And then I'm going to write on here, let it snow, and you can write it however you want it. You could do cursive, you could do fancy. I just did bubble letters there, or not bubble, but dotted letters, because I can kind of do that pretty well. Maybe I'll do this one in cursive. I don't know. Ooh, help me, help me. And then I just took my white pen and put little snowflakes all around, or little snow dots. I'm going to make that one bigger since it's an exclamation point. I shouldn't have put an exclamation point probably. Alright, and then I'm going to take 5 of my little snowflakes. I like odd numbers. That seems to be more aesthetically pleasing. So I'm just going to randomly put 5 dots of glue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I will just, there's different sizes of these, and I'm trying to just pick them up randomly and put them, but I didn't want the small one to be over here when I knew that I needed a small one there, so I wanted to put that one there first. Here's a big one. Let me put this big one up here, and then here's a small one. It's funny because on this one I picked 4 small ones first, and then I picked the big one. I didn't even think about it, about there being different sizes. There we go. That one has a little something on it. Oh well, I think I'll leave it because I'm afraid if I tried to take it off, I might break it. Oh, there. I thought it was going to be plastic, but it seems like it's just like the, whatever the foil paper is that makes it sparkly. And look, I used it all. So this is all that's left. If you guys have been with me for a little minute, you know why I'm excited about that. And I'm gonna try to tie this at the end too. Just, I like to tie it at the end just because it frays so badly. Have I mentioned that? And sometimes the fraying is cute, like right there, that's cute, it's fun. But it's not cute when it's fraying all down and you can't even use it. Alright, so there are our 12 tags of Christmas. Well, our 11 tags of Christmas. We have one more tomorrow, but this is my last one for now. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas! Happy crafting!